All right, my friends, so we're going to start our llama drawing today. So we're going to start with the head of the llama. So we're going to create a U sideways. That would be for the front of the face. And then we're going to do a tiny U right here and a line under, and that would be for the nose and where the mouth starts. So if you want the llama to smile, you can do a tiny curve right there. Okay, again, U, small letter U, a line down, and then a tiny curve. Okay, doesn't look like anything right now, but pretty soon it will be a llama, or llama if you say it in Spanish. All right, so we're going to do the top of the head, and the the llama has a lot of wool, right? So the top of the head will have tiny little curved lines. These are little curved lines. They do look like clouds, but they're not a cloud. So again, this is the front. We're doing the top of the head. So tiny curves inside. Then we're going to continue on the top. And it doesn't matter if your llama has more wool than others. That's okay. It's okay. All right. So if you notice, I stop right here because I'm going to place the ears. And if by mistake you did a little more, that's okay. The ears are like a leaf shape. If you're not sure, you can create almost like an oval with a little point and then a line inside for that ear. Okay. Then you have a tiny little ear from over here and a tiny line. And remember, my friends, a llama or llama, as they say, it's almost like a sheep, but with a long neck. All right. So let's do the little eye. The eye is a circle, just like in math. And we're going to color some part of the circle because we want the llama to look somewhere. I'm going to draw those little eyelashes. They do have eyelashes. All right. So cute. Oh my goodness. All right, let's keep going. So then I'm going to draw those curvy lines going down. Some might be wider than others. Some of them are narrow. And remember, they do have a long neck. A long neck. And here we go. All right, a long neck. Not like a giraffe, but longer than normal. All right, so then we're going to draw the front leg. So let's curve in the front, the little chest area. All right, and we're going to do the legs. So I want some curvy lines going down, curvy lines going down, and I'm going to stop right here. The legs are not that long, by the way, naturally. And then we're going to do a U and draw two lines for the little feet. Okay, same on the other side. Curvy lines, stop. Letter U, and two lines. Okay, so I'm going to pause in the meantime because I know some of our friends are trying to catch up. So I'm going to repeat myself. All right, so the head was a U, right? Sideways. A tiny U here, a line and a curve. All right. Then we had the eye, which was a circle. I colored some parts in, add some little eyelashes. The top of the head was made out of curvy lines in cloud formation, right? And then we went all the way down here and down here, okay? To keep in mind, think about this part of the head. The neck is way longer, like long, okay? Not long as a giraffe, but way longer than usually an animal. All right, the ears, like little ovals with a point, a line, little ovals with a point and a line. All right, and I know the llamas or llamas, they're little strange animals, but super cute. Okay, so let's keep going. All right, so for the body, you keep going, drawing those curly lines and curvy lines, and we're going to draw the back leg, and we're going to stop similar distance as this one here, a U shape, two little lines, looks like it's dancing ballet, and then that's the first leg, right? Then we're going to close the tummy. So you see that line that's coming here? We're going to connect All right. And then I'm missing one leg, right? So I'm going to add that fourth leg. Oops, sorry, the curvy lines and a U. Woo woo. And the little fluffy tail. Okay. All right, because there's our llama. If your llama is a little chunky, it's okay. It's a little thinner, it's okay. Its neck is a little longer, it's okay because they do have long necks. All right, so in the Andes, they're used to carry goods, right? Materials, things, fabrics. So we're going to just add a little piece of fabric on top of the llama, which they usually do actually. So we're going to create a U shape. And if you don't want that line, you can erase that, no problem. A U shape, and that U shape will have patterns of letters U's. Patterns, almost like an upside down rainbow. Upside down rainbow. You see that? And that's going to be cool when you color it. And then these fabrics usually have like little pom-poms on them. So I'm going to draw little circles. They're going to be the pretend pom-poms, right? All decorated right there. All right. There's my little llama. Now, my llama, is in the Andes Mountains. So behind your llama, when it's ready, right, you're going to draw a line behind it, which is going to be the horizon line. It doesn't have to be perfect, no, because it's land. You know, land has little dents and grooves. All right. So that is the land where the llama is standing, but behind the llama there are mountains. So we're going to draw the mountains almost like a couple of M's or upside down U's. So that's one mountain behind another mountain and another mountain, because it's the Andes. The Andes are made of multiple mountains together all along South America. My parents are from Ecuador, which is very close to Peru, very close to the Andes. Yeah, their homeland, it was close to the Andes, like about maybe 6 hours. All right, so behind the mountains, we can draw, if you want the sun, it's a sunny day outside. You can draw little grasses there and get super creative. Now, just to let you know, where the llamas travel is very dry and arid. It's very, very dry. There are trees, of course, grasses, because they do eat grasses, but it's pretty dry. So, you know, you'll see that. When you color it, you can color your grasses different greens, and some parts are rich, some parts are dry. You can make this a rainbow design fabric with multiple colors. The wool of the llamas could be from white all the way to black, actually. So you can mix it and make like a brownish wool color. And then the other parts, like the front, you know, just like the horse has the front, and then the little paw area, those could be a lighter color right there. Okay. And your mountains could be purplish, grays, blacks, or even dark green, because they do vary in color in the Andes. All right. So that's it for today. This is the Llama Llama. Thank you for watching.